Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. As you can see, no sunshine, a little bit of change of scenery, but there is some sunshine outside. But la clima aquí está cerca de congelarse. La clima aquí está cerca de congelarse. The weather here is near freezing. I am in Atlanta. It is 39 degrees. I left 82 degrees. I will be back home on Wednesday. Our Spanish for today is La clima aquí está cerca de congelarse. La clima aquí está cerca de congelarse. The weather here is near freezing. 39 degrees, everybody. Stay warm. No, y'all at home. Go swimming. Go to the beach. I'll be back on Monday. That's our Spanish for today. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Turn on your notification bell for your Spanish lessons. And y'all, I hope y'all are planning to join the first annual Expect Gala. If you missed the episode on Thursday, go back, watch it, check it out. Message me if you have any questions. Until tomorrow, have a wonderful day.